How to use Netflix new natural language search feature. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video we will see how we can use Netflix new natural language search feature. So without further delay, let's get started. So Netflix have recently launched a game-changing new feature, a natural language search powered by AI. Now you can just tell Netflix what you feel like watching. So in order to see how it works, let's get started. So instead of typing movie titles or genre, you can now type things like I want something funny and light, or a thriller set in space but not too scary. Or even you can tell Netflix to show something with a strong female lead and emotional story. Then Netflix will use AI to figure out what you exactly mean and will provide the search results according to that. So we have to understand who can use it. So this feature is currently in beta for iOS users in Australia and New Zealand, but it is rolling out in the US very soon with a global launch expected after that. So if you're in Australia or New Zealand and if you have the iOS users, you can have access to this feature. So if that is your case, or if you are in the eligible criteria, then all you have to do is open up Netflix application, log in into your account, head over to search icon, and there you have to type in something natural like good or feel good movies, and a custom list pops up with the help of OpenAI in Netflix. So this is not just keyword matching, it's powered by generative AI, which means it actually understands how you feel and what kind of experience you want. So that's how you can use natural language search feature in Netflix. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.